Warriors Healers. This is the last video in regard to the drip and chill. And I know many of you are on the fence. You probably waiting till the last minute. You only have a few hours to register. When you register, you get to tell us which IV you are interested in. We can have anything from Energizer IV, Antiviral, Hygh vitamin C, chelation therapy, minus the ozone, and the NAD. You can also choose the CBD. You only have a few hours to register. So I'm going to tell you what's included because maybe you like me, my brain wants to know all the things that I'm getting for $270 just to help me make this decision. This IV infusion will never hurt you, will only help you. Even if you come to me and say, Dr. Jeanty, I have no issues with energy, my immune system is the best, I have no issues sleeping, I am thriving in my body, like all of the things that you mentioned on your page and in the registration form or the emails, none of these things pertains to me, which I don't think anybody will say because we all have something going on. Specifically now in this season, and in this world, in this country, we are exposed to toxins, viruses, pathogens. I do high dose vitamin C. I do my hydration. I listen to my body because I want to perform at an optimized state of health. I don't want to wait until I'm foggy, tired, sluggish to do something about it. By that time, it's going to require more work on my part, maybe more IV, more money to get to the point where I feel energized again. So this is your last call to schedule your drip. It's 270. You can spend 270 on yourself. Don't buy a gift. Don't go out to eat that Friday, that Saturday. If financial is a problem for you, look at your expenses or things that you usually spend money on and say, okay, I'm going to spend on me. I'm going to prioritize me. And I'm only saying that because so many of you, and you know who you are, and I love you. I love you so much because you have been so bold and vulnerable to reach out to me and say, hey, Dr. Jeanty, I think I'm getting sick, or my kids are sick. I have at least 5 messages a day of people reaching out to me, letting me know how they are getting sick. The kids are getting sick. Maybe they are a teacher. Maybe the colleagues are getting sick. Somebody in the environment, somebody in their lives are getting sick. And many of us are waiting until we start feeling sick to do something about it. Remember, when you wait and start experiencing symptoms, that's when you spend the most. We do this drip and chill event once every month, or maybe once every 2 months, 3 months, because we want to help you save money and give you a lot more value. So this Saturday, December 20th, not only you get in the IV of your choice, you get to choose minus the ozone because that's a longer process, and the NAD because it's a higher infusion. You can choose anything: Energizer, antiviral, vitamins, CBD, chelation, hydration. Even if you felt amazing, do hydration. We can never hydrate our bodies too much. As I've mentioned many times, water is not hydration. We don't drink water and be like, I'm hydrated. Otherwise, then nobody will have issues, disease, and illness. So not only you get the IV of your choice, you can also receive a free chair massage, Tiffany. I am working with her and bringing her into the clinic more days because she's only here on Friday and when I have events. But I would love for her to be here more days so that you can actually get a massage. She went to Thailand to learn how to do Thai massage. She is very knowledgeable. Her hands are magical and she listens to your body. This is someone when you can feel a difference after. And our massage therapy rate is very cheap. Everything in my clinic is lower cost comparing to the value if you were to get it somewhere else. So if you're like, I need to put myself on a massage routine once every 2 weeks or once every month, speak to Tiffany. We can give you a package and you can also get discount. But she's going to do a free chair massage that day. I am going to be at the IV drip bar. We have samples for energy to help you with your immune system. We have samples for sleep. Yes, we do. We have so many samples that as you are getting your drip, we're going to be serving you something for energy. There's a vitamin that the people at Quicksilver sent me. I'm going to be pouring some. So you get in your IVs, also energizing your cells. Okay. If you're like, Dr. Jeanty, I would love to get some sleep. We have different samples to help you with the immune system because that's the part of your health you need to focus on the most right now. You need two things to go into this holiday season and also into the new year. You need to have more energy. It's not cute to be tired and sluggish. You need to have a strong immune system because there's a powerful virus out there. It's flu season, it's cold season, it's COVID season, it's allergen season, and you need to be protected. So I am going to give you some samples to take home. We love our families and we don't want to be hiding from them. I want you to go into this holiday season with peace of mind. $270, a free chair massage, 5 minutes chair massage with Tiffany. If you love her, book a medical massage with her. You get things for your immune system. Ty is going to make his favorite drink while you're there. We're going to have some vegetables for you to remember on and also some fruits. So you're getting a lot. And of course, you get to meet the other patients. We're building a community here. I'm not going to wait until I get sick. Then I want you to click the link below and register. And the registration close Friday at 4 p.m. Because as we make the IVs, the day of you coming to our clinic, I am not infusing pre-made tons of preservatives, something ships them from somewhere else into your body. No. Because remember, I'm the detox doctor. I want to detox your cells. I want to detox your organ. I want your cells to free up so that they can work for you. I want to decrease inflammation. I want to boost your immune system, boost your energy. I want to control your nervous system. So I can't be feeding your body with trash, right? No, we cannot do that. We need you to register before Friday, December 19th at 4 p.m. After 4 p.m., you will not have access to register anymore. When we come Saturday morning, we're going to be making those IVs and prepping for you. So if you're on the fence, I don't know, maybe I'll go and purchase the pill at the vitamin shop. Please don't do that. You all know that IV vitamin therapy, you get 100%. It is the fastest and the quickest way to get rid of an illness, a cold, the flu, and also to prevent. These IVs and nutrients will not hurt you. I promise you. There's no way I'm going to infuse something into your body and then you're going to feel sick. You feel sick because the IVs are working. It's stirring the pot and you have things that were dormant in your body and we needed to activate them so we can get rid of them. But the vitamin C that I'm giving you, I'm also giving to somebody else. So other people are getting it. So people are not getting sick. So we're not getting phone calls of people saying, I had the vitamin C and then otherwise I will not be in business. So I want you all to understand this is such a pivotal moment right now. And I need you to really take care of yourself, take care of your body. If you have any of your family members that's sick, I know you have spouses or mom and dad or sisters and brothers, bring them here. They all can benefit. Dr. Jeanty is only one drip. I'm giving you samples to take with you. You're going to have some immune samples to take with you. Now, spots are limited because we can only serve so many people without having a whole bunch of people waiting. From 11 to 3, if you register late and we don't have a spot for you at 3 o'clock, we're going to have to, unfortunately, deny you. I'm all about safety, not exposing each other to other people. Once you register, Marilyn's going to call you to schedule you and give you the spots that are available. So if I were you, the minute you see this video, click the registration button or call us. Vitamin therapy is the future of medicine. You can either run away from it and deal with the consequences, but I'm always going to tell you the truth. It is the future of medicine. If you don't do anything at all, you need to incorporate some IV vitamin therapies in your healing journey. How many drips do you need? Probably a lot, because one tiny IV bag cannot get rid of all the issues. Some of you might need 10, depending on your severity. If you're part of my total body restoration, you won't need a lot. But if you are not doing TBR, total body restoration, and that's all you're doing is IVs, you gotta complain with yourself. You're gonna need a lot. A lot of us wanna think that one drip is all we need. Nope. Are you gonna feel better quicker and faster if you take the pills? Absolutely. But is one drip gonna work? No, it's 2, 3, 4, depending on your severity. It is an investment you're making in your body to feel your best. And it's gonna pay off. It always pays off. Okay, I'm also gonna share with you, because I like to share the science behind the scenes. So I'm going to share my screen to really show you guys what I wrote. People wait until they are sick, exhausted and overwhelmed. That is true. We are humans. We wait until things are terribly bad. We do something about it. But then recovery takes longer. That's what I'm talking about. The longer you wait, the longer it's going to take for you to recover. Prevention is faster, easier, and far more effective. So if you were sick, you needed like 4 IVs, versus if you're not feeling symptoms, you might need 2, 3. Prevention is quicker and faster. So many people are telling me they feel off. They just don't feel like themselves. Your energy and mental clarity shape your behavior, mood, and motivation. When your body's depleted, your decision-making suffers because you're not going to think right. You're tired, you're exhausted, you're foggy, you're sluggish. Productivity drops. You just want to do the bare minimum. Let me just do this and then I want to go back to bed. Maybe I want to sit in front of the television. Right? Emotional resilience weakens. That is us. Like any little things, it's like you react. IV therapy restores not just your physical health, but mental, emotional performance, helping you feel capable, energized, and confident, even in the busiest month of the year, which is December and January. The good is, when you do IV vitamin therapy, you have rapid replenishment of essential vitamins and minerals. I can't read my own handwriting. Boost immune defense before you get sick. Immediately improved. So you're going to have experience immediate improvement in energy, mental clarity, and mood. Yes, you do, because you feel good. The cold, the virus, that you fight and your body's able to fight off, you don't have to take a pill, antibiotic, or steroids. You're decreasing your viral load, but you're also decreasing the toxicity level. IV therapy is not a replacement for sleep, hydration, or poor nutrition. I don't have to hydrate at home. I don't have to eat healthy. That is why with this drip and chill, we are going to give you some sleep samples for those of you that are struggling. It works best as part of a holistic plan, including stress management, movement, and functional nutrition. The longer your immune system is compromised or fatigue lingers, the higher your risk of getting sick, gaining weight, experiencing mood swings, or burning out entirely. Proactive IV therapy can prevent these setbacks before they start, giving you control over your health and energy levels. You guys know how I love for you to be in control of everything that involves you. Take charge of seasons, stay energized, resilient, and balanced. Research shows that IV therapy can increase your energy levels by 60%, reduce stress by 40%, boost your immune system by 3 times. That's how powerful IV therapy is, specifically high-dose vitamin C. Support your hormone balance and mood regulation. Shorten recovery time from stress, travel, and illness. Your body responds faster when you give it what it truly needs. Our IVs are functional medicine-based design to address the root cause, right? At the cellular level, it is not a generic menu where you can just go and pick. Every blend supports deeper healing at the mitochondria function, that's energy. Hormone regulation, that's the mood, that's the cortisol. CBD does that great. Inflammation, that's vitamin C. Antiviral. Cellular hydration, that's the hydration, the superhydration. Detoxification, that's chelation therapy and hydration. Nervous system regulation, that's CBD. Okay? This is a health optimization, not a quick fix. So if you want to experience health, vitality, and ability to thrive this season and beyond, you must incorporate IV vitamin therapy. If you're on the fence, the drip and chill that is happening this Saturday can be a best way to expose you, but the best way for you to have vitamin therapy to see how it works for you. This is the last time. I don't think we're going to have one like that in January. I'm not 100%. So if you're waiting for January, February, don't wait. We are changing things in our clinic. We are doing more workshops. Maybe vitamin therapy might not be a big thing that we promote because we have other promotions in the queue. This is your chance to come for the drip and chill and also purchase packages at discounted rate. All right? I know how else to tell you guys. Don't wait until we are sick. Don't wait until you have the flu, the virus, the cold, exhausted, overwhelmed, stress to do something about it. Do something about it now so you can start supporting your body. When you do face with the virus out there, your body support it. You'd be like, oh, look, everybody else is getting sick around me. I've been boosting my immune system. I've been working on me. I don't have to worry about it. Boom. You don't have to worry about it. All right, so drip and chill, Saturday, December 20th from 11 to 3. Times are limited. Call now to schedule. If you call and we have nothing available, then we will have to say sorry. Not only call to get the IVs, but come to get the samples that I'm giving you, the vitamin C samples, and also energy, and then take some things home with you when it comes to immune boosting. This is a no-brainer. You need this more than ever. I'm going to see you December 20 from 11 to 3. Bring your spouse. If your children are old enough to get IVs, bring them. Bring your friends. Let's all heal our bodies, boosting our immune system, getting more energy together. All right? Stay safe and see you soon.